evening, guys. Dirk at Red Ocean Blue. Good to be back. I took a few days off last week, had a vacation, went to see my mother, and it's time to get back to trading. All right, guys, if you need to get a hold of me, www.redoceanblue.com. You can go to the info button. You can send me an email, or my email address is Dirk, D-U-R-K, at redoceanblue.com. Let's get right to the trades. All right, right here, right after the open, they shot them back up here, short right here, Y, GT, TDI, off a direction. I said they would come down to 36s, all right? Sell them, 39s down to the 36s. I think they bounced off 34s and shot them back up. The buyers were located down here. We knew that. They shoot us right back up to the direction line. This is an interesting trade inside itself, guys. This is a blue candle down. Usually the blue candles are buy candles, but we have learned this is divergence inside the candle. You got to sell them short. Blue candle down, sell them short because it's divergence inside the candle. Sell them short. They're good for anywhere from 3 to 5 points all the time. All right, 3 to 5. 38s down to 35s. They actually went lower than 35s and went down to S1. Then they showed them clearly down to S1. This looks like it's divergence, but it's 2-1 and 2-1. It's only a couple points back, and that's it. They went back 2 candles, and they gave us a purple GT. I said to the guys, as this trade was developing, this is going to be a difficult situation. And it was a difficult situation. Sorry, I had to move that. All right, we sold it short, lost 2. They took them back up. If they would have gave us a GT here, I would have sold them short and run them all the way down to S2, but they didn't give us one. As they were coming through S2, I said to the guys, this is a little bit too low to sell them, okay? My exact words, it's a little too low. I think I used something else, but it's a little too low to sell them. But they GT'd right through here. I think a couple guys in the room took it, and they went down to S3, all right? This is a difficult situation. We like to come back up and zing us back down. They just took it straight down. Went all the way down to our S4, bounced them off S4. This is small divergence, back up, back down, back up here. This is a trend change. Let me slide the chart clearly over. All right, why is it a trend change, folks? They got us above the gym line, okay? Got us above gym line, and they went back to the pit bull. I happened to not take this trade. I think I stepped out for water. All right, anyway, right here I said to the guys, we don't want to sell this because of all the buyers are sitting right here. And what do they do? Down, back, down, back. Now, this is the same candle as way up in here. This is a divergence candle because it's a blue candle. It's pointing down. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. Most of the time they work. This one didn't work because it's on top of the gym line. That's the blue line right there. I did sell it, guys. I lost, all right? Took us back up. This is small divergence back down. And what happens? They came back over here, sat on top of the gym line again, and they shot back up here. This was 12 o'clock, or I would have bought it, okay? I stepped out for a little bit. I had to load a guy's system. I'm back in here. It's about 12:20. Boom, I bought this one. They're breaking out. This is that divergence candle with a purple GT, all right? 27s up to the 32s, and they even went higher. They even ran them right up to the direction. If you wanted to hold, you could have held them straight up. I zinged out at 32s, all right? Up in here, guys, this is only a short trade, back a couple points of 2 points. There's something about the 2-point trade that happens a lot in the summertime. I'll explain it to you later. All right, coming off direction, you sell them down, 37.5s, right to magenta 35s. You take it off and say, thank you very much. Then they come up here, give you divergence. It's perfect, 3-2 and 2-2. Sell them down. You're short, 41.5 down to the direction line. You're out. Why? Because they always buy them at the direction line when you're above it. All right, and they did. Then they give you the famous Red Ocean Blue railroad track and a TDI. You have to sell them when you get the railroad track and a TDI at a direction line or at a support and a resistance line. 39s down to magenta, 36s. Then this is a little bit of a confusion, but they came out of the confusion really quickly with 2 double blues here. You buy them back, they take you back to the direction line, all right? You simply buy them back, they run you right back to the direction line. Again, another 2-point trade. This one here, guys, I didn't short it. The reason why is because these 2 blues here, but it worked out pretty well, okay? We don't short into buy candles, just so you know. Then this is nothing over here, and if they would have given you a GT here, I would have sold it here again coming off the direction. They didn't give you one. Anyway, lots of trades today, 20 points for profits and stop outs. Couple, guys. There was a couple. There was 8 points of stop outs. So total profits is 12 points for the day. Now, the system, I have 2 specials going. You get me for 2 30-minute sessions. You pick the time, you pick the day. I'll give it to you for 30 minutes. We'll review it. After that, You can log into my login section. I have at least 45 videos on. You can go over all these videos after you're a member. Secondly, you get 90 days in the chat room. I changed it from 60 to 90 for June. Guys, enjoy your night. 12 points, 2 contracts, $1,200. Have a great night.